Assalamualaikum. So this video I will discuss the exercise 6.2.2 number 1. It is about the homogeneity proportion, the test of the homogeneity proportion. So to study the association of the race and eye color in a Malaysia population. An anthropologist observed a sample of 100 people. So this is your N. So here we have column as a eye color and row as a race. Test the hypothesis that proportion, keyword here, of eye color from different type of the races are the same. At significant level. So we have word same here. So same means that homogeneous, similar. So it is a homogeneity. And then another keyword here is a proportion. From different type of the races means that the subject here is a race. So we are comparing the similarity between race. So row subject is row variable is your subject. But to be easy, your hypothesis, you just write the sentence for your hypothesis. Hashna, it will be always all the proportion are the same. Doesn't matter row or column as your subject. H1, at least one of proportion, at least one of proportion is different from the others. So step 2 similar as a independent task. Step 2 is to calculate the chi-square task. So but before that we have to calculate the E lah. So find the summation value. So this is your O11. So here R equal to 3, C equal to 2. So O11, O12, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, J equal to 1, J equal to 2. So here is a O12, O22, O31, O32. So here will be Ni dot. So N1 dot 30 plus 10, 40. N2 dot 10 plus 15, 25. N3 dot 15 plus 20, oh my god, 35. Hope you can see lah. And then here will be N dot J. So N dot 1, 30 plus 10 plus 15. So 40, 55. N dot 2, 10 plus 15 plus 20. So 45. So all together N dot dot 100 lah. Should be similar as your N. The N dot dot here must be similar to the N here because your observed frequency here, the summation of the observed frequency, you should get the N. So N dot dot is a summation value or total data lah. So total data is 100. So draw a column here. So O11, 30, E11 similar as an independent sample. Independent task. E11 means that 40 here times with the 55 and then divide by 100. So you should get 22. You can try after this lah. You can calculate. So O12 we have 10. So E12 E12, the location is here, so 40 times 45 divide by 100, you will get 18. O21, which is 10. So we are looking for the E21. The location is here, so means that 25 here times with the 55 divided by 100. So you will get 13.75. O22, 15. So we are looking for the E22. So E22, the location is here, means that 25 here times with the 45 divide by 100, then you will get 11.25. O31, 15. We are looking for the E31. Okay, the location is here, means that the 35 here times with the 55 divided by 100. So you will get 1925. And the last one, O32, which is 20. So we are looking for the E32. Okay, location is here, means that 35 here times with the 45 divided by 100. Okay. So you will get 15.75. Okay, the third column here. Okay, so use this formula for the third column. For the first, we will get 2.9091. Okay, so 3.5556, 1.0227, 1.25, 0.9383, 1.1468. Okay, so the summation of this, that's your chi-square test. Okay, so you will get 10.8225. Okay, so third step, critical value. Chi-square alpha 0.05, degree of freedom R minus 1, C minus 1, so 2. Okay, 2 times 1, so you will get 5.9915. Step 4, decision. As I said, you can plot here. So chi-square test greater than critical value. So this is your chi-square test. So chi-square, it is in rejection region, then reject hash null lah. So chi-square test greater than chi-square critical value, then reject hash null. Okay, so conclusion here, as I say, you just write which statement that you support. So reject hash null means that we say no to the hash null. We do support the hash 1. So you can write here at alpha 0.05, at least one proportion is different from others. Okay, so I do hope that you understand what we are discussing here. Before we end, okay, let's say that you have question like state the variable. Okay, state the variable, then you can state either one, whether the eye color here, whether the race here, because the data that you collect here is a combination of the eye color from the race here. Okay, the eye color from the Malay, the eye color from the Indian, and also the eye color of the Chinese people. Okay, so if the question asks you about the variable, then you can state either one lah, the eye color or the race. Okay, what else? I think that's it for the homogeneity proportion, the test for the homogeneity proportion for the case of contingency table. Okay, let's say that we are comparing the eye color here, even though it is a two proportion, still two group here, the dark brown and also the light brown, still we cannot use the proportion from the chapter 3 because the data that you have here, it is a contingency data. Okay, the chapter 3 that we have, it is not the contingency data lah. Okay, if the what we call, if the chapter 3, the proportion from chapter 3, then the race here is a doesn't matter. We don't check based on the race here. Okay, so it is not the contingency lah. So when you have the contingency table, then we use this statistical method. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Okay, the whole chapter 6, it is on me. Okay, I do hope that you understand the chapter 6 here. Of course, it will be in final letter because there is no assessment involved chapter 6 so far. So the whole chapter 6 will be in final. Okay, if anything, okay, for the 6.3, as I mentioned before, okay, you can study by your own the goodness of it and contingency table by using Microsoft Excel. You can go through our slide for the steps. Okay, basically how do we analysis similar. Okay, but you can get the chi-square from the Excel lah. Okay, so you can go through all those steps. Okay, from our slide and also from the module. Okay, so if anything, okay, but you have to understand lah what we are discussing. Okay, all this calculation is a theory behind lah. Okay, you need to understand that one first before we go to the Microsoft Excel. That's why if you understand all this calculation, then Microsoft Excel should be easy for you lah, because Microsoft Excel will provide the the value that you need, and then you interpret. In order to interpret, you have to understand the whole process here. Okay, that's why that one I leave it to you lah. Okay, so I do hope that you understand the whole chapter 6 here. If anything, please contact your lecturer. Okay, it is suggested to ask your lecturer because you already know, you already understand your lecturer method. Then okay, then I do hope that if you don't understand what I'm discussing here, when you ask your lecturer, you will clear about this chapter. Okay, so thank you, and forgive me for this kind of traditional method lah. Okay, so there is no choice for me. I have to record using this kind of the traditional method. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. Good luck for your final letter.